want some easy makeup for a lazy Halloween? Come on, let's make up for lost time.
Hey, I'm maybe Burke and you're watching Makeup for Lost Time. This is my series for trans women and other people who feel like they missed a few classes when it came to learning about makeup.
We've done the eyeliner, we've drawn the ghost, but let's go over the fun Halloween lip. You might remember this going viral on TikTok last year, but I can't help but recreate it. It's really great for social media, but it's not necessarily all that great if you're like going to work for 8 hours. If you're going to something for like an hour or two and not eating. Now you can do this with any color. I'm just using orange because like pumpkin Halloween, you know? Now this is just a lip liner, but I'm gonna use it to cover the whole lip area. I don't have an orange lipstick, and I'm not going to buy one because I would never actually do this lip for a regular day-to-day. I could probably use a face paint, but I'm gonna use what I have for right now. And then probably one of the weirder applications that I'm going to do, I'm gonna pack some black eyeshadow onto a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna scrunch my lips into the tightest little ball that I can, and just press that black eyeshadow right over the orange liner. And I'm actually gonna go in with 2 coats just to really lock it in place and make sure it's sealed like I like it. Just to lock it in place and make sure that it has the most coverage possible. And then we can release. Oh, I love that! And then a totally not necessary step. I'm gonna come in with a black liner and really sharpen the edge so that it has a black edge. I think it looks really cool either way. I just know from like my aesthetic personally, I would prefer to have the black edge and a little something poking through. So go ahead and give this one a shot, and of course, stick around as we make up for lost time.